Welcome to Brainetainment, your one-stop channel for everything health and wellness. Our mission? To serve up engaging, thought-provoking content that covers the full spectrum of well-being, from the physical to the psychological. Each day, we explore a new topic, shedding light on the fascinating world of health and wellness, and providing you with the knowledge you need to live a healthier, happier life. In today's video, we delve into the realm of mental health, presenting you with 5 ways to safeguard your mental health. Mental health, as important as physical health, often gets overlooked, yet it's a critical component of our overall well-being. Just like how we nurture our bodies, our minds too need care and attention. When our mental health is in great shape, it positively impacts every facet of our lives. Our relationships flourish, our work productivity skyrockets, and our overall happiness levels increase. But when neglected, mental health issues can creep in, leading to stress, anxiety, and even depression. These not only affect our emotional state, but can also lead to physical health problems. That's why it's essential to safeguard our mental health, to ensure we're not just surviving, but truly thriving. Mental health isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about time we stopped treating it as an afterthought and started giving it the importance it deserves. Now that we understand its significance, let's delve into the ways you can protect and enhance your mental health. First on our list is incorporating regular exercise into your routine. Now, don't let the word exercise intimidate you. We're not suggesting you need to become a gym rat or run marathons, unless that's your thing, of course. Exercise in this context simply means moving your body in a way that gets your heart pumping a little faster and your muscles working a bit harder. Why does this matter for mental health, you ask? Well, let's dive into it. When you exercise, your body releases chemicals known as endorphins. These are often referred to as the body's natural feel-good chemicals because they interact with the receptors in your brain that reduce your perception of pain and trigger a positive feeling in the body similar to that of morphine. Pretty cool, right? But the benefits don't stop there. Regular exercise can also help reduce stress. We all know how overwhelming stress can be and how it can negatively impact our mental health. But when you exercise, it's like giving your body's stress response a test run. You're raising your heart rate and triggering hormonal changes similar to what you'd experience when you're stressed. By doing this regularly, you're essentially training your body to handle stress more effectively. And let's not forget about the impact of regular exercise on our sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for mental health, and guess what? Exercise can help you sleep better. It does this by helping to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle or circadian rhythm. Also, the post-exercise drop in body temperature can help to promote feelings of drowsiness, making it easier for you to drift off to dreamland. So, there you have it. Regular exercise is a powerful tool for safeguarding your mental health. It boosts your mood, helps manage stress, and promotes better sleep. Remember, it doesn't have to be a marathon. Even a short walk can make a big difference. Next up, we have the role of a healthy diet in maintaining mental health. The food we consume doesn't just impact our physical health, it plays a vital role in our mental well-being too. Think of your body as a finely tuned machine. The fuel you put in it directly affects its performance. Let's delve into the fascinating world of nutrition. Our brain, a remarkable organ, requires a mix of nutrients to function properly. It's no surprise then that what we eat can significantly influence our mood and mental state. When we consume a balanced diet, rich in vital nutrients, we are essentially providing our brain with the high-quality fuel it needs to perform optimally. Now, you might be wondering, what are these brain-boosting foods? Well, omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like fish and walnuts are known to support brain function and reduce symptoms of depression. Foods rich in antioxidants such as berries and dark chocolate help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, which can contribute to mental health issues. B vitamins, found in whole grains and legumes, help produce brain chemicals that affect mood and other brain functions. Low levels of these vitamins, particularly B12 and folate, are linked to depression. And let's not forget about the gut-brain connection. A healthy gut contributes to a healthy brain. Foods rich in probiotics, like yogurt and fermented foods, can improve your mental outlook. It's crucial to remember that a healthy diet is about balance. It's not about cutting out food groups or following the latest fad, but about providing your body with a variety of nutrients. Consuming a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats can do wonders for your mental health. In essence, your diet is a powerful tool in your mental health toolkit. What you choose to eat can either support your mental health or potentially contribute to a cycle of poor mental health. It's all about making conscious, healthful choices. Eating well isn't just good for your body, it's essential for your mind too. Our final 3 tips are all about balance, sleep, social connections, and mindfulness. First, let's dive into sleep. Many of us overlook the significance of quality sleep, but it's a key player in our mental health. Sleep is the body's natural way of rejuvenating and repairing itself. It's the time when our minds are allowed to rest, sort out thoughts, and process information from the day. A lack of quality sleep can lead to feelings of lethargy, irritability, and even depression. So how can you improve your sleep? Try creating a nightly routine. This can include winding down with a book, avoiding screens an hour before bed, and ensuring your sleep environment is quiet, dark, and cool. Next, we have social connections. As humans, we are social creatures. We thrive on interaction, communication, and connection with others. Strong social connections can boost our happiness, reduce stress, and provide a support system when times get tough. They can remind us that we are not alone and that we have people who care about us. But in our busy lives, it can be challenging to maintain these connections. It's important to make time for them. This could mean scheduling regular catch-ups with friends, joining a community group, or even taking the time to call a loved one you haven't spoken to in a while. Finally, let's talk about mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment. It's about focusing on the here and now, instead of worrying about the past or the future. Mindfulness can help reduce stress and anxiety and increase our overall sense of well-being. It can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to focus on your breathing. Or you could try more structured practices like yoga or meditation. The goal is to bring a sense of peace and calm to your day, and to let go of any negative thoughts that may be occupying your mind. Each of these elements, sleep, social connections, and mindfulness, play a crucial role in maintaining our mental health. They're not always easy to prioritize in our fast-paced world, but the benefits they bring are invaluable. They can help us to feel more energized, happier, and more at peace with ourselves. And remember, it's okay to start small. You don't have to overhaul your entire routine overnight. Start by making small changes, and over time, these can lead to big improvements in your mental health. By incorporating these practices into your routine, you can create a strong foundation for mental well-being. Mental health is an integral part of our overall well-being, and it's crucial that we take steps to safeguard it. In our journey today, we've explored 5 practical ways to reinforce the fortress of our mental health. Regular exercise, a potent catalyst for releasing those feel-good endorphins, can act as a natural antidepressant, reducing stress and promoting a sense of euphoria in our day-to-day lives. A healthy diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, can provide the necessary fuel for our brains to function optimally. Food, after all, is not just sustenance for our bodies, but for our minds too. Next, we dove into the restorative power of sleep. By getting a good night's rest, we allow our mind to recharge, process, and prepare for the new challenges of the next day. We also touched on the significance of social connections. Engaging in meaningful relationships and conversations can provide a sense of belonging, reducing feelings of loneliness and isolation. Finally, mindfulness, the practice of staying present and aware, can help us gain a better perspective on our thoughts and feelings, allowing us to navigate our mental landscapes with greater ease and understanding. Incorporating these 5 elements into our daily routines can significantly bolster our mental health, making us more resilient in the face of life's inevitable challenges. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Brainy-tainment for more health and wellness tips. Remember, your mental health matters.